När Joe Borg blev kommissionär för Malta 2004 fick han ansvar för bland annat fiskerifrågorna. Och ett av uppdragen från ordförande Barroso var att genomföra 2002 års reform av Common Fishery Policy, den EU-gemensamma fiskeripolitiken. Flera åtgärder har visat sig framgångsrika.
The two major achievements, I would say, relate first of all to stakeholder involvement. That is the involvement of the industry in the consultation process. For example, here in the Baltic, there is a Baltic Sea Region Advisory Council. The other is the introduction of multi-annual planning. And this means that the fisheries is managed over a number of years and that decisions are taken for a number of years. There can be certain changes year in, year out. But the major aspect of the major thrust of the decisions would be over a number of years.
Dr. Borg fokuserar nu sitt arbete kring huvudproblemet inom fisket.
In spite of what we have been trying to do, we have not managed to address the real chronic problem, and this is the question of overcapacity. We have a community fleet which is far larger than what the stock can take of fish in the community, and therefore we need to see how we can bring about a situation whereby we can reduce capacity in order to reduce effort, in other words, in order to reduce catches, because it is only in that way that we can guarantee a sustainable fishery.
Just nu pågår arbetet med nästa version av Common Fishery Policy som är tänkt att träda i kraft år 2013. I april 2009 var man färdig med ett genomarbetat underlag, The Green Paper, eller grönboken som vi säger i Sverige. I den just avslutade konsultationsfasen hade alla EU-medborgare möjlighet att föra fram sina synpunkter. Joe Borg anser att det behövs radikala förändringar inom olika områden för att få bukt med de frågor som måste lösas nu om vi vill få till ett långsiktigt hållbart fiske i framtiden.
It is essential that we decide on the right instruments that we need, the right policy, and that that policy then is implemented so that we can bring about a situation of a turnaround with regard to the overcapacity that we have, with regard to systems of management that we have, and that by addressing also the question of governance, the industry itself will own the process much more, and therefore they themselves will have an interest in order to make things work. Whether this can be brought about, and therefore we can speak of a sustainable fishery in all community waters in 3 or in 5 or in 7 years' time, I would prefer 3, but even if it is in 7, as long as we're moving in the right direction, then I think that it is the right way forward.